Google picks my slime ingredients candy edition. Okay, Google. Pick a number from 1 to 10.
All right.
Okay, Google. Pick a number from 1 to 10.
Sure. 4.
Yes, 4. Okay, Google. Pick a number from 1 to 10.
Coming right up. 5.
5. Where's number 5? There's 5. 5. Oh. Yay, more sprinkles. Okay, Google. Pick a number from 1 to 10.
Sure. 1.
Yes! Well, now I opened it. Put this inside. These are the 4 choices I picked. It's the Pokemon gummies, the sprinkles, the Starburst jelly beans, and the Mighty Mites. The one that I really wanted was the Skittles Wild Berry. I wanted this, but I cannot use that right now, so I cannot use it. So I need my glue. That should be enough. Now I top it off, and this glue stops. I'm gonna have the shaving cream, or I'm gonna have the ingredients. I'm gonna add the ingredients. So, first thing I'm gonna use is the Mykonos. Okay, now it looks like it's just made up with spoons. Put one back. I think that should be enough because there's going to be more stuff. So now I'm going to add this gummies. One pack. Just one pack. Pump it up. Pump it up. Pump it up. There's a lot of food. Put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm gonna set up.
What are those?
And these are jelly beans that are Valentine's Day. Oh, like this one right. So I'm gonna add a couple. What else do I? I do not know when I'm going to use this, but I'm going to use some stickers. Add the shaving cream. We have ocean smell, Okay, that sounds, I think the color of the candy is trying to make color, like actual color. Like it's turning pink. It's turning pink. And it looks like whipped cream. Gotta get everything mixed. I think this should be enough. So what else? Where is it? Oh, this activator. Come through. Hey, why are you in here? I know you want to help me, but you're gonna get sturdy. So to the side. Yummy. So how to use it with a spoon? I see some. Oh, that would have been cooler for the gummy bears, because they come in little cakes. I just make cotton candy. With candy. With real candy. Oh, it's starting to turn out. Oh, whoa. Again. Okay. Mix it. I think the color just turned out pink. I think we just made Valentine's Day slime. Mixing. I cannot even see the candy. It's time for the food coloring, and I picked red because it looks like a Valentine's Day sign because it's a big piece. I'll use like 2 drops. Mix. Well, I think it's gonna turn out pink. Not red, it's okay. I like pink. And blue. Cotton candy. Because some of it is on this. Cotton candy. Don't act too bad to me. Mix it, please. Make a red, not pink. Okay, do again. Gotta keep mixing until I see until I just see pink. Now it's time for the sprinkles, the pink sprinkles. What? That should be it. We added the sprinkles in, now I gotta mix the sprinkles. bubble.